In this video, I'll walk you through the entire process of getting your new Revolut QR code, step by step. If you found this helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more content. Also, you can sign up for a free Revolut account by using the affiliate link in the description below. If you get a Revolut QR code, it allows you to easily receive payments or transfers directly to your account. It's a quick and secure way to handle transactions without needing to share account details. To begin, launch the Revolut app on your mobile device. Once the app is open, navigate to the home page, where you'll find the profile icon located in the top left corner of the screen. Tap on this icon to access the profile menu. Inside the profile menu, look for a small QR code icon positioned beneath your username. Simply click on this QR code icon, and your Revolut QR code will appear on the screen. This QR code can now be scanned by others to send payments directly to you. Whether you're sharing your code for personal or business purposes, this feature makes receiving payments quick and easy. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to subscribe for more tutorials and tips. Also, don't forget to sign up for a free Revolut account using my affiliate link in the description below. Thanks for watching.